Concrete Pumping Bridgeport, Connecticut supports fast, accurate, and efficient concrete placement for projects across Bridgeport, Connecticut and Fairfield County. Whether the job calls for Concrete Pumping Bridgeport, Connecticut, ready mix delivery, or a job site concrete pump, the right equipment helps move material exactly where it needs to go. From residential concrete pumping to commercial concrete pumping, Bridgeport construction crews rely on concrete pump truck service, cement pumping, and concrete delivery service to improve access, reduce labor, and speed up every pour. Bridgeport foundation concrete pouring requires precision, timing, and dependable pumping equipment to ensure a strong base for homes, additions, and commercial structures. With foundation pouring, footing pour, and basement slab work, Bridgeport concrete pumping services help place concrete cleanly and consistently in confined or hard-to-reach areas. A Bridgeport concrete pump truck or Bridgeport line pumping services can handle tight access, while Bridgeport precision concrete placement services help support durable results for structural work throughout Bridgeport, Connecticut. Concrete Pumping Bridgeport, Connecticut contractor services are essential for smooth, level, and efficient floor installations on residential and commercial sites. For basement slab concrete, sidewalk pouring, and driveway pour projects, Bridgeport Ready Mix concrete delivery paired with Bridgeport concrete hose pumping creates reliable flow and accurate placement. Construction teams looking for rapid concrete placement often choose pump hire or a Bridgeport boom pump rental to streamline slab pouring, reduce delays, and keep concrete placement on schedule. Bridgeport commercial concrete pumping is ideal for larger builds that require high-volume concrete movement and consistent delivery across challenging site conditions. High-rise concrete pumping in Bridgeport, Connecticut demands a strong pump setup, experienced operators, and careful coordination with ready mix delivery to keep pours continuous. With Bridgeport boom pump rental options and Bridgeport job site concrete pump solutions, contractors can complete concrete placement services efficiently for parking structures, warehouses, office buildings, and other commercial concrete applications in Fairfield County. Concrete pumping. Bridgeport, Connecticut helps homeowners and contractors complete projects like pool deck concrete service, retaining wall concrete pour, and driveway pour with less mess and greater control. For backyard renovations, patio expansions, and foundation upgrades, Bridgeport concrete hose pumping and line pumping make it easier to reach areas behind fences, through narrow side yards, or around landscaping. Bridgeport residential concrete pumping also supports faster completion for sidewalk pouring, basement slab concrete, and other home improvement concrete construction jobs. Bridgeport boom pump rental service is often the best choice when a project needs extended reach, fast setup, and efficient concrete placement over obstacles. A concrete pump truck with a boom can handle slab pouring, foundation pouring, and commercial concrete pumping with fewer labor requirements and less material handling. For Bridgeport, Connecticut concrete pumping projects involving elevated areas, distant forms, or complex access points, boom pumping offers the flexibility needed for reliable construction concrete services and precision concrete placement services. Bridgeport line pumping services are ideal for tighter work sites where a hose-based setup can thread concrete into hard-to-reach spots with accuracy. This method is commonly used for sidewalk pouring, footing pour contractor work, retaining wall concrete pour, and basement slab concrete when space is limited. Bridgeport concrete hose pumping delivers concrete placement control for residential concrete pumping and commercial concrete pumping alike, while Bridgeport Fairfield County concrete pumping teams often depend on line pumping for dependable cement pumping services on active job sites. Bridgeport Ready Mix concrete delivery plays a major role in keeping every concrete pumping project productive from start to finish. When materials arrive on time, Bridgeport concrete pump truck crews can begin rapid concrete placement without unnecessary downtime or segregation issues. For Bridgeport driveway concrete pour, Bridgeport slab pouring contractor work, and Bridgeport foundation concrete pouring, coordinated ready mix delivery and concrete delivery service make it easier to maintain quality, improve workflow, and support efficient concrete placement services across Bridgeport, Connecticut. Bridgeport construction concrete services cover everything from small residential repairs to large-scale commercial pours, making them a key part of development throughout Bridgeport and surrounding Fairfield County areas. Contractors seeking Bridgeport Concrete Pumping, Bridgeport Cement Pumping Services, or Bridgeport Concrete Placement Services can rely on pump hire options designed for different site sizes and project types. From pool deck concrete service to bridge-related site access, a Bridgeport job site concrete pump helps move material with precision, consistency, and speed for modern concrete construction demands. Bridgeport High-Rise Concrete Pumping is a specialized service that requires powerful equipment, experienced operators, and careful planning for vertical placement. In dense urban areas of Bridgeport, Connecticut, concrete pump truck access and concrete hose pumping are critical for transferring ready-mix concrete to upper levels efficiently. With Bridgeport Commercial Concrete Pumping and Bridgeport Rapid Concrete Placement, builders can maintain productivity on tall structures, large slabs, and demanding multi-story projects while keeping the pour steady and controlled. Bridgeport Footing Pour contractor support is essential for structural stability on new builds, additions, garages, and retaining wall systems. Accurate footing pour work depends on smooth concrete pumping, dependable ready-mix delivery, and efficient concrete placement services that reduce delays at the form. Whether the project involves Bridgeport basement slab concrete, Bridgeport retaining wall concrete pour, or Bridgeport sidewalk concrete pouring, contractors throughout Bridgeport, Connecticut turn to Bridgeport Concrete Pumping for consistency, access, and long-lasting results.